Hi there coach, it's Carolin Soldo here, and in this video I want to teach you how to build your first Facebook group and use it as an effective marketing tool to sell out your coaching packages and build a tribe of raving fans. Stay tuned until the end because today I will give you a plan to start up a brand new Facebook group and also how to create engagement in the group, especially when it feels like you're the only one posting. As always, make sure you hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel so that you get notified when new episodes drop every Wednesday.
All about helping you go from passion to profits in your coaching business.
My name is Carolin Soldo and I'm the proud owner of a highly engaged Facebook group. Now in our Facebook group we have over 7,000 coaches just like you from all over the world, and they join our group because we give massive amounts of value. We go live, we post videos, we post how-tos and tips and resources for coaches just like you on how to build a successful coaching business. Now we also use the group to promote our events and our programs, and over the years we've been able to make an enormous amount of money and gain new coaching clients from our Facebook group. So it's an amazing way for us to give value, grow the community, and create super fans. But it's also a really nice way for us to invite new clients into our programs very consistently. And the best part is that Facebook groups are free and you don't have to spend any money on advertising. Let's start by talking about the logistics, right? When you first set up a Facebook group, you will need a group name, a group description, and group design, including your group banner. When you choose your group name, I want you to think about 3 different options. Option number 1 is to name the group based on your tribe and who they want to become. Do they want to become empowered or confident or successful business owners? Do they want to lose weight? Do they want to become more spiritual? Pick something that your ideal clients can really associate with and that they can embody and want to become. Option number 2 is focus on what you actually do with them in the group. So for example, one of our programs is called Brand Your Passions, and we named it that because at the core in the program we help you create a brand for your passions and skills and expertise. Option number 3 is to think about the specific topic that you're actually teaching your clients. So you could be a vegan, you could be a vegetarian, you could be a binge eating coach, you could be a relationship coach. So a very specific topic that you're focusing on and that you'll be teaching in the group. So you could name your group based on that topic, based on the outcome, or based on what you're actually doing. Next, you will need to write a group description. Now the group description has several different purposes. Number 1, it's a way for you to introduce yourself and tell members what they can expect. So make sure you tell them about the rules and regulations of the group, but also give them a heads up of all the amazing value that's going to be coming their way. The group description is also a really nice place for you to add value already, insert links, insert downloads, insert videos and free trainings, so that when new members join and they read the description, they can already take away some massive value. Lastly, make sure your group is beautifully designed and branded. And what I'm talking about here is your top banner. So at the top of the group, you'll have a banner. And then ideally, you want to design that banner based on your brand standards. So choose your colors, choose your images, choose your logo, maybe put text over the banner, upload it, and make sure your group is visually appealing and stands out when somebody finds it online. Now let's talk about your new group and how to actually get people in your group. When you're launching a brand new group, the best thing for you to do is make a big deal out of it. So really have a party in there, hype it up, and launch it with a big bang, right? The best thing you can do is choose a challenge or a special VIP training you can host inside the group, and then you can advertise those activities outside of the group. And I recommend you email your list if you have one, email your friends, create an event on your personal and your business page on Facebook. Put a Twitter tweet out there, post it on LinkedIn, post it on Instagram, literally post about your big revealing and opening of the doors in your Facebook group everywhere. Now that you've launched your group with a big bang and you have some members in the group, you want to continue to nurture and grow your group, of course. A couple of things you can do very effectively is run advertising to your group. You could run a very small ad campaign at $10 or $20 a day that links to an opt-in page and from the opt-in page to your Facebook group, so that not only are you feeding your group, but you're also feeding your email list. You should also consistently promoting your group on your social media channels. So whenever you go live in the group or you post a high value content for your group members, make sure you tell everybody else about it and invite them to join your group. The next thing you should do is link to your group from your sales funnel. So if you're advertising webinars or lead magnets or your website, make sure that along the way you actually link your new leads to your Facebook group so that they don't just end up on a blank thank you page, but they're ending up in your Facebook community where you can give them even more value. Let's talk about engagement, shall we? Now, what do you do if you're the only one posting in your group and you feel like, is anyone paying attention? Is anyone here? Is anyone even seeing my posts? Am I all alone here? Why isn't anybody commenting? If you're hearing crickets in your group, the first thing I want to tell you is that this is completely normal in the beginning. Your group will not have consistent engagement and it will not have a life of its own until you have about 500 members. So if your group is still small and you have less than 500 people in it, chances are you're the one posting most of the time, and that's okay. When it comes to building engagement, there really is no secret other than amazing content. You need to be present in your group and ideally be present in there every single day. Building a group and marketing yourself for free takes action. It takes dedication and it takes commitment, but you can do it. In addition to posting almost every single day, commenting in your group and liking other people's posts, you should go live in your group. Go live in your Facebook group at least once a week. You can create events for your lives, or you can literally just go live spontaneously and talk to your group members right there. Ready to gain some clients from your Facebook group? Well, let's talk about that too. The best ways for you to gain clients from your Facebook group is by giving, and then receiving. So before you promote or offer anything in your Facebook group, make sure you've given enough value, you've built up credibility and trust with your group members. So post videos, post trainings, post lead magnets, guides, cheat sheets, quizzes, post and be consistently active in the group so that people know that you're there to give them real value. After you've given enough value and you've built that trust and credibility, of course you can promote yourself. So feel free to post about your launches and your webinars and your programs and packages, and invite your group members to discovery calls with you. Because after all, this is your group, this is your house, and you have the right to do what you need to do in the group. One thing I used to do way back a couple of years ago in the beginning of my journey when I launched my very early on Facebook groups is celebrating milestones. I remember celebrating my first 100 members. And then I celebrated my first 500, my first 1,000 members. And I literally made a big deal and I was excited about every milestone I hit along the way. And whenever I hit a big milestone, I actually gave away some things in my business. I would give away special coaching sessions, I would give away special programs or special freebies, and I actually had a party. I created excitement in my Facebook group that not just gave my group members more value, but it also allowed them to come into my business and purchase my programs. So what about you? Are you excited to create your Facebook group right now? Or maybe you already have one and now you have some new ideas to grow it and create more engagement. No matter what, I want to hear from you. Post a link to your Facebook group down below in the comments. Let's join each other's group, let's support each other, and let's have a real conversation. If your goal is to be seen and heard in the industry, if your goal is to be standing out as the expert in your niche, and if your goal is to attract a tribe and people that actually love what you do, then you have to be at From Passion to Profits Live, our big live event in September. I'm here to invite you today to get your ticket to From Passion to Profits Live in Hollywood, California from September 14th to September 16th, where coaches from all over the world will come together to celebrate and grow their coaching businesses. At the event, you'll meet myself and my entire team, my mindset coach, my marketing coach, our tech coach, and 7 industry expert speakers will be there to coach and train you and share with you the secrets of the trade and exactly how to launch $1 million coaching business. At this event, we will come together for 3 full days and talk about everything, including your branding, leveraged evergreen programs, your business model, your marketing funnel, mastering sales, everything you need to know to become a standout expert coach. To get your ticket, go to FromPassionToProfitsLive.com. Maybe bring a friend, bring your spouse, and I can't wait to meet you in person. I also have 2 really amazing freebies for you today. The first freebie is our Facebook group cheat sheet. This is a cheat sheet with the exact steps that I taught you today, and all you need to do is follow along the cheat sheet step by step to launch out an amazing, highly engaged Facebook community for your coaching business. The second freebie I have for you is a special invitation to join us on Facebook in our group. It's the Coaches with Passion, Purpose, and Profits. We'd love to have you in the group. There's a link below in the description. Simply click there, join the group, and I can't wait to see you there. As always, stay focused on your goals because I believe that you're meant to bring your passions to the world. If you liked the video, give me a like. Don't forget to leave me a comment, and I'll see you next week. Thanks so much for watching. From Passion to Profits Live, our big annual event for coaches is happening this September in Hollywood, California. Do you want a ticket? For more info, go to FromPassionToProfitsLive.com. Launch the group, make it a big party.